Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar from Solo Marketer here, and in this video I want to quickly show you how to manage your course and membership notifications in systeme.io. So if you go to your settings over here, the profile icon, click on settings, and then you scroll down, click on notifications, it's going to take you to this page. So the things you can manage, essentially, under My Communities and Courses, so you can see there's two columns, there's two options. To get email notifications and to get in-app notifications. So in-app just means over here, this little thingy, this little bell icon, and email, you just receive email notifications. And also keep in mind that these notifications, let's say, notify me about comments on my courses. Me personally, I've also received these if I was an admin of someone else's systeme.io account, like a client. It's their course, it's their everything, their ecosystem. I'm just an admin, but I still receive these notifications as if it was my course. So just keep in mind that that's also not a possibility. That's what's like happening in my personal experience. But yeah, if I have these on. And as for these ones, you can see here for all kinds of like courses and communities, you can switch around between, depends on whose courses those are, right? Like in this example, most of these courses are mine. And there might be, there's a course from Iran, for example, right? So you can switch around. These are specifically from me, from my main account, and these are from Iran. You can see there's a bit of a difference in the notifications, which, if I remember correctly, it just all depends on whether it's your course or not. I might be wrong on that, but yeah, you get more options. But the main thing I wanted to get to is that the communities feature. A lot of people, even systeme.io themselves, they have a community, but there's not a lot of activity going on. It's still, there's some people there, and I've been involved in there as well every once in a while, but it's like it's not as successful as the Facebook group, which my guess is because a lot of people might not have the notifications, so it takes like an effort to kind of remember and just go in there through, like, you have to do multiple clicks. It's not like the same as a Facebook group. So my suggestion would be, let's say if you are doing a community, courses, whatever, especially a community on systeme.io, make it part of like your onboarding, welcome, whatever. Whenever people get in, let's say you send them an email, you let them know, hey, go in here in the settings, notifications, and then kind of turn on some of the whichever ones you think might be important, maybe not all of them, but ask them to turn on notifications. So more people will switch them on, and more people will engage with the community because they'll have the notifications on. Obviously, if they turn them on for everything and you tag everyone all the time, it's going to get too spammy. But yeah, keep in mind that this is like a thing that you need to tell people. A lot of people might not know that this is an option. Just if you have a community, let them know, hey, go into settings, maybe set up a video like this, just show them how to do it. And there's going to be, the engagement should be better because a lot more people, they don't have to remember it. They get notifications. And from my personal experience, email notifications are better than in-app. In-app, I don't really personally, I don't see this thing. Email, that's kind of more effective. It's just easier to notice. And then if you scroll down, there's some other notifications. Send me an email when there's a sale, or also when you've made a sale as an affiliate. That's only the first sale. It doesn't send you an email every time, every monthly, let's say, or yearly commission. It just sends it to you on the first one. And the sales, obviously, though, those can be turned on as well. And send email notifications to customers about upcoming subscription payments. So that's straightforward as well. But yeah, that is a short version. Definitely urge your people, if you have a community within systeme.io, your own community where you're trying to gather people and there's not a lot of engagement, let them know that this is a thing that they might want to switch on. Kind of like, hey, let's say notify me when there's some sort of activity. Let's say they are tagged in a post or whatever. So yeah, definitely let your people know about this. But yeah, that is it for this one. There might be a couple thumbnails popping up at the end of the video related to how to set up your own community, course, all that stuff as well. If you haven't gone that far, I have good tutorials on that, obviously free. Go check them out. And also, if you have any questions, make sure to comment below. And yeah, like, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Helps the channel. I appreciate it a lot, and it doesn't cost you anything. But yeah, go check out the videos, and hopefully I'll see you there. Bye.